for today's recipe, we're going to cook sinigang na bangos or milk fish. So this is a Filipino dish. You want to know how to cook this recipe? Please continue watch my video. This is Helen Moore, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. So, want to know how I cook this? Let's go! So the ingredients, we need 1 milk fish, or they call it in Tagalog, bangos. I use 3 tomatoes, 1 onion cut into wings. We also need 3 garlic cut into small pieces. We also need ginger. I cut them into small pieces. We also need 4 peppers, or if you want, you can use more. And I use this one, the lettuce, for my vegetables. I also used onion leaves. And of course, we need sinigang sa sampalok mixed original. I only use 1, so if you want too much sour, you can use lemon, or you can use 2 sachets from this. So for the spices, I used black pepper, a little fish powder or spices, 1 magic cubes, and a little bit of salt. So first step, we're going to clean our bangos or the milk fish. So now I have already cleaned the milk fish or the bangos, and at the same time I also cut the tomatoes. So now we are ready to cook our milk fish or sinigang na bangos. So an empty pan, you put it a little bit of oil, and then you let it get hot. So when it gets hot, we're now going to put our onion, garlic, ginger, and pepper. Then we're going to mix. The onion also is there. We'll let it cook a little bit. So it's a little brown. Now we're going to put our milk fish or bangos. Then you're going to mix. Let it fry a little bit with the spices. This time we're going to put the spices. Then we put the spices. The black pepper and the fish spice. Let it turn. Then we put 3 cups of water. Then we'll let it boil a little bit, and then we put our tomato. So this time our water is boiling, so we're going to put our tomatoes. Then we put our sinigang sampalok mix. Then we put our 2 magic cubes and our onion leaves. Then we're going to mix. Let it boil a little bit. Then we put our lettuce. So we're going to cover it first for a while. So this time we're going to open it again. And as you can see, our tomato is almost done. So we're going to put our lettuce. So if you have kangkong, you can use. But in the Middle East, we don't have kangkong here. So I use this lettuce leaves, the fresh one. And if you want to put salt to add the taste, it's better. So we'll wait for a little bit. Then it's now ready to serve. So this time our sinigang bangos or milkfish is done. So ready to serve and eat. So now our sinigang na bangos is done. So thank you guys for watching and happy cooking. God bless us all. Bye bye.